In this video, we're going to go over some regular looking nickels that you should absolutely not spend if you come across them. Make sure you save this video so you never forget it, but let's hop into this video. So up first, we have a coin that sold for $630. Now just imagine finding a coin like this and being able to turn it into 630 bucks. So this 1941 Jefferson nickel was graded by PCGS at an XF45. So XF means extremely fine. I love seeing coins like this because all it means is that this coin was out in circulation. It passed many people's hands before someone recognized that something was wrong here. So if you haven't noticed already, the color is a bit off. Something is strange. Sometimes this will occur if the coin has some sort of environmental damage or if it's missing a specific layer of metal on the coin. But you'll also notice that the size of this coin is wrong. Another way you can tell if you have a coin that is worth a lot of money is if the weight of the coin is very off. That could be a huge indicator. So this coin was essentially struck on a cent planchet before someone noticed it and said, hey, this is an error coin and it's worth a lot more money than just 5 cents because this coin sold for $630. This coin sold for $5,760. This 1942p 5-cent Jefferson nickel was graded by PCGS, a mint state 64. So pretty similar to the previous coin. However, this one graded much higher. So remember, condition is super important when it comes to the value of your coin. If you end up finding a coin like this, you want to make sure that you keep it safe, do not damage it, because the smallest little nick or gash will decrease the value of the coin. But essentially, this is what some collectors call a doubled denomination error coin that was struck on a cent planchet. So again, same thing as the last coin, it should not have been struck on this small of a planchet, but it was an accident, and that's why this coin sold for $5,760. I love the look of this coin that sold for $7,800. So this is a 1943 war nickel that was graded by PCGS and XF40. Remember, XF means extremely fine. That means that this coin went out into circulation. It passed many people's hands before someone noticed it and said, hey, this is a rare coin. Something is wrong here. So pretty much what happened here is it's hard to tell, but the weight of the coin is going to be different because this coin was struck on a copper nickel planchet, and that's why it looks so strange. So if you have a coin that looks like this, there is a chance that you have a very rare coin. So keep your eyes peeled for this coin that sold for $7,800. Here we have a 1946 5-cent Jefferson nickel struck on a war nickel planchet. This one graded by PCGS a fine 12. So if you think the previous coins went through a lot of hands, this coin definitely saw its days before someone was able to pick it up out of circulation. So if you're going through your pocket change and you find a coin like this, there's a probability that it's really rare and valuable. Make sure you do your homework and research. Do not get scammed or ripped off. Make sure you find a reliable source that can help you out and give you as much money as possible if the coin is genuine and it is actually valuable, because this one little coin sold for $9,600. If you enjoyed this video, you'll definitely enjoy the video on the screen. So click on that video and I'll see you inside.